I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to sign up on edX. For that, first of all, open up your edX app on your phone. After you open up your app, on bottom right you'll see the option of register. Tap on it. There you can see that you can register with Google, Facebook, Microsoft or email. For now, I'm going to register with email. Firstly, enter your full name. Create a public username. Enter your email. Set a password. Be sure your password must contain at least 8 letters, including 1 letter and 1 number. At last, select a country or region where you live. Type in the name of your country or region on the search bar and then tap on it. When you are done, tap on Create My Account. This way you can sign up on edX. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button. And if you have something to say, please leave a comment.